AnduinOS 2.0 has officially arrived, and if you've been following the project since its early releases, you're probably expecting another Ubuntu-based Linux distribution with a familiar desktop and a few cosmetic improvements. But this release is different. In fact, AnduinOS 2.0 is shaping up to be the biggest transformation the project has seen so far. Rather than focusing only on visual tweaks or incremental updates, the developers have completely rethought what this operating system should be. The result is a Linux distribution that feels modern, polished, and surprisingly unique while still staying approachable for users coming from Windows and even Mac OS. Whether you're a longtime Linux enthusiast or someone looking for an alternative to mainstream operating systems, AnduinOS 2.0 deserves a closer look because it introduces a fresh direction that could attract a much wider audience than before. One of the first things you'll notice after booting AnduinOS 2.0 is how refined the desktop experience has become. The interface is cleaner, animations are smoother, and every part of the desktop feels more consistent than previous versions. Instead of looking like a customized Ubuntu installation, the system now has a stronger identity of its own. The desktop layout balances simplicity with functionality, making it easy for new users to navigate while still providing enough flexibility for experienced Linux users. Windows open smoothly, notifications look modern, and the overall user interface feels cohesive from the login screen all the way to the settings application. It's obvious that a lot of attention has gone into creating an experience that doesn't just work well but also looks professional. Performance is another area where AnduinOS 2.0 makes significant improvements. The operating system feels lighter and more responsive during everyday use. Applications launch quickly, system startup times are noticeably faster on SSDs, and multitasking feels smoother even on modest hardware. These optimizations make the distribution appealing not only for modern computers but also for slightly older machines that may struggle with heavier operating systems. Memory usage has been optimized, background processes have been reduced where possible, and the desktop environment remains responsive even when multiple applications are running simultaneously. These improvements contribute to a more enjoyable user experience without sacrificing functionality. The developers have also focused on improving hardware compatibility. Linux users know that driver support can sometimes determine whether a distribution becomes a daily driver or simply an interesting experiment. AnduinOS 2.0 includes updated kernel components and newer hardware support, allowing it to work better with recent processors, graphics cards, wireless adapters, and modern laptops. Improved compatibility means fewer manual driver installations and a smoother out-of-the-box experience. Whether you're installing the operating system on a desktop workstation, a gaming laptop, or even a compact mini PC, the chances of everything working immediately are much better than before. Software management has become more convenient as well. Installing applications is straightforward through the Graphical Software Center, while advanced users still have access to the familiar package management tools from Ubuntu. Flatpak support continues to provide access to thousands of up-to-date applications, giving users the flexibility to install both traditional packages and sandboxed applications. This combination allows users to enjoy newer software versions without worrying about compatibility issues. Developers, content creators, students, and general users can quickly find the applications they need without spending hours configuring repositories or resolving dependency problems. Security remains an important focus in AnduinOS 2.0. The operating system benefits from Ubuntu's long-standing security infrastructure while introducing additional improvements that help keep systems protected. Regular security updates, reliable package verification, secure software repositories, and updated system libraries all contribute to a safer computing environment. The developers have also simplified several security-related settings so that users can make informed decisions without dealing with overly technical configuration screens. For most people, security works quietly in the background, allowing them to focus on getting their work done instead of constantly maintaining the operating system. Customization is another area where AnduinOS 2.0 shines. While the default appearance already looks polished, users who enjoy personalizing their desktop will appreciate the flexibility that's available. Themes, icons, wallpapers, fonts, dock behavior, panel settings, and window animations can all be adjusted to suit personal preferences. Unlike some highly restrictive desktop environments, AnduinOS encourages users to make the desktop feel like their own while maintaining stability. Small details such as dark mode improvements, better accent color integration, and smoother transitions contribute to a more premium experience that feels competitive with commercial operating systems. Developers will also find AnduinOS 2.0 to be an attractive platform. Programming tools, terminal improvements, Git support, container technologies, virtualization options, and package availability make it suitable for software development right after installation. Since it is based on Ubuntu, developers benefit from one of the largest software ecosystems in the Linux world. Languages such as Python, Rust, Go, Java, Node.js, C++, and many others are readily available through official repositories or package managers. Whether you're building websites, creating desktop applications, managing cloud infrastructure, or experimenting with AI frameworks, the operating system provides a stable foundation for productive work. For users migrating from Windows, AnduinOS 2.0 includes several thoughtful design decisions that reduce the learning curve. Familiar navigation patterns, intuitive file management, predictable system settings, and easy software installation help newcomers adapt quickly. Instead of forcing users to completely change the way they interact with their computer, the distribution gradually introduces Linux concepts, while preserving enough familiarity to keep the experience comfortable. This makes it particularly appealing at a time when many users are considering alternatives due to changing hardware requirements, subscription services, or privacy concerns associated with proprietary operating systems. Gamers also have reasons to pay attention. While Linux gaming has improved dramatically thanks to Proton, Steam, Vulkan, and modern graphics drivers, having a well-configured distribution makes a noticeable difference. AnduinOS 2.0 provides an excellent starting point for gaming by offering updated drivers, modern kernel support, and compatibility with popular gaming platforms. Steam installation is simple. Lutris remains available for managing games from multiple sources, and compatibility with many Windows games continues to improve. While it may not specifically target gamers like some dedicated gaming distributions, it offers a reliable platform capable of handling a large portion of today's gaming library. Another welcome improvement is the attention given to productivity. Office suites, document viewers, multimedia applications, screenshot tools, PDF utilities, and communication software integrate seamlessly into the desktop. The workflow feels efficient, with better window management, smoother workspace switching, and refined keyboard shortcuts that improve daily usability. Whether you're working remotely, attending online classes, editing documents, browsing the web, or managing multiple projects at once, the operating system feels dependable and responsive. Small interface refinements may seem minor individually, but together, they create a noticeably better working environment. Behind all of these visible improvements lies a broader philosophy shift. Instead of simply being another Ubuntu derivative with cosmetic changes, AnduinOS 2.0 appears focused on building a recognizable identity. Every decision, from the interface design to performance optimizations and user experience refinements, suggests that the developers want the distribution to stand on its own merits rather than relying solely on its Ubuntu foundation. This is important because the Linux ecosystem already offers countless distributions, and standing out requires more than a new wallpaper or icon theme. AnduinOS 2.0 demonstrates genuine effort to deliver a cohesive experience that feels intentional from beginning to end. Of course, no operating system is perfect. Some advanced users may still prefer distributions that provide even greater customization, rolling release software, or more bleeding-edge packages. Others may have specific workflows that require different desktop environments or specialized tools. However, AnduinOS 2.0 succeeds in targeting the broad middle ground where stability, ease of use, modern design, and practical functionality matter most. For many users, especially those exploring Linux for the first time, this balance is exactly what they're looking for. Ultimately, AnduinOS 2.0 represents far more than a routine version update. It signals a new chapter for the project, demonstrating clear ambition and a commitment to delivering a polished desktop operating system that feels both modern and accessible. With improved performance, stronger hardware compatibility, refined visuals, better software management, thoughtful customization options, enhanced security, and a user-friendly experience, it successfully separates itself from earlier releases. If you've overlooked AnduinOS in the past, this version gives you a compelling reason to take another look. It's no longer just another Ubuntu-based distribution trying to blend in with the crowd. AnduinOS 2.0 is confidently carving out its own place in the Linux ecosystem, proving that thoughtful design and continuous improvement can transform a familiar project into something that genuinely feels new.